Okay, so we've done the setting up of environmental variables, and now the moment of truth has come. The what? The moment of truth has come. So we want to go ahead and test if this is working. As we said, everything that we've been claiming that we want to make our own chat GPT, we tested in the Azure portal itself and it worked, but now we have deployed an application which is a front end interface that's gonna interact with our users. All right, so it's easy, and with the cookbook we will direct you as well. But double click on the default domain, and if you were logged in, it will straight away log you in, right? So I'm logged in, and now I want to search for a certain payslip, right? Again, I'm gonna use this. You can see the payslip is being shown, right? Payslip remuneration statement, employer, da. 172 bucks. Let's try again another name, maybe John. Notice that when you hit enter on your keyboard, this won't work because the application is not configured for that to work, okay? So you have to click on the search here. Okay, we got John Fallow. Now we got the payslip for John Fallow, right? I can do the same for, maybe Luke, I'm not sure, right? I'm just guessing. Okay, we have two looks, and so you see now you got your intelligent document search that you can allow you to search through your documents. So these are just 60 documents that we uploaded. Now you can have terabytes and terabytes and terabytes of documents from all the way back, and now you can increase, you can scale your AI service, you can scale your app service to be able to accommodate those, and it will go and search through your documents, and all of a sudden you got a brilliant tool at your hands, right? And this project, if you do it well, it will get you and land you a job in AI in Azure, earning up a premium salary, right? I've seen it happen with so many people. This is what I do 24/7. So this is a simple project that anybody could deploy in a day, and then you can talk about it. You can study more about it. You don't have to stop here. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff you can do, you can play around with, but this is an idea to show you that it's possible, and it's very easy peasy with all the tools and the AI stuff that we now have. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna do a video to talk more about the other stuff that comes after this, right? That you can follow on this. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.